Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. A good friend of ours has recently just bought her first flat. It's on the 3rd floor of a block. And we were chatting about it the other day, and she mentioned the fact it had a balcony, but no garden, obviously, being on the 3rd floor. However, as she said, given that space is at such a premium, and outdoor space in particular is at a premium in London, she's happy to have any kind of outdoor space at all. If you say that something is at a premium, you basically mean it's hard to come by, it's scarce, and it's in demand. So, maybe, as some of you know, for working parents, free time is at a premium. You're lucky if you get any free time at all for the first few years of your kids' lives, if you're working as well. If you're living in the city, and you're leading a hectic life, quiet moments are often at a premium. And again, maybe, as many of you will know, for busy teachers, sleep is at a premium. It's very rare that you get a day where you can just have a lie-in. And maybe if you're going to a football match or a big concert or an event, or you want to go shopping near Christmas, you need to get there early if you're driving, because you know that parking will be at a premium. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use at a premium.